Good morning, dear students. So let's continue with our chapter number 2 in chemistry. So in the last video, we had discussed about the tripod stand and Bunsen burner. Okay. So next we have. So I'll show you the pictures of the tripod stand and the Bunsen burner. Okay. So these are the picture. Now we have the wire gauge and the test tube. So what is actually the wire gauge? So a wire gauge is an iron wire gauge piece posted with an asbestos in the center or sand in the center. It is placed on the tripod stand so that the flame does not touch the glass apparatus directly, reducing the danger of its breaking. So let's see how is a wire gauge looks like. So here dear student, we have a picture of a wire gauge. इसमें एक वायर गॉज है, ठीक है, वायर की बनी हुई नेट है और सेंटर में हमारे पास फिल्टर पेपर के ऊपर सैंड है. दिस इज एक्चुअली सैंड, ठीक है. So we'll keep the Bunsen burner just below this like that way so that the heat may transfer in all the direction, not actually in one point of a एपरेटर्स. ठीक है, अगर एक ही पॉइंट पे एपरेटर्स पे फ्लेम लगेगी तो इट मे ब्रेक बिकॉज ऑल द एपरेटर्स आर ऑफ मेड अप ऑफ ग्लास. सो टू डिसएपिएट द हीट वी यूज टू कीप दिस वायर गॉजेस ओवर द ट्राइपॉड स्टैंड. हम आपको दिखाते हैं कि कैसे रखेंगे. देखिए ट्राइपॉड स्टैंड है हमारा, तो इसके ऊपर पहले हम वायर गॉज रखेंगे यहाँ पे. ठीक है, विल कीप अ वायर गॉज ओवर इट एंड देन विल कीप द एपरेटर्स ओवर दैट. ठीक है, सो दैट द फ्लेम ऑफ दिस बर्नसन बर्नर विल गो टू ऑल द डायरेक्शंस. ठीक है. Next we have a test tube. So test tube, I think you all have seen the test tube. Test tube is a glass tube which is used to hold the chemicals, which is used to heat the chemicals used in a chemistry lab. So a test tube is a glass tube with one end closed and the other end open. The closed end is in the round shape. The test tube are used in laboratory to hold small samples of chemicals. Okay. So here we have a test tube for you. So one end is closed of this test tube and another end is open. From this open end we can keep the or transfer the liquid, solid, any reagent or the chemicals into the test tube for the testing. Okay. So next we have beakers and titration flask. So what is beaker? The normal beaker is like a glass shape. ठीक है, but it is made up of glass. ठीक है, the glass that we are using in our kitchen. So beaker are very common laboratory instrument and are widely useful in the laboratory as the reaction container. उसके अंदर हम reactions भी करते हैं, दो liquid को mix भी कर सकते हैं. They are also used for holding liquid and solid sample. हम कुछ देर के लिए liquid samples को we can keep it, hold it in a beaker. ठीक है, it is used for heating, stirring, mixing the chemicals. Used for heating, उसके ऊपर हम ज़्यादा chemical है तो test tube तो बहुत छोटा होता है, its capacity is very small. तो ज़्यादा liquid है तो हम उसमें heat भी कर सकते हैं, stir means मिलाना, ठीक है, और mixing भी कर सकते हैं chemicals की. So here I have a picture for you. ये these are the beakers of different size. ठीक है, ये है 650 ml, 150 ml and 250 ml. ठीक है, these are the beakers. And one of the important fact that I want to tell you that why these are known as a beaker. So can you see this one open end of a beaker? It's like a beak of a bird. ठीक है, इसको बीकर इसीलिए कहते हैं क्योंकि इसका जो एंड है ना, इसका जो फेस है, ओपन फेस, इट जस्ट लुक लाइक अ बीक ऑफ अ बर्ड. सो दैट्स व्हाई इट नेम्स आफ्टर दिस अ बीकर. ठीक है, और ये एक्चुअली एक मेजरिंग फ्लास्क है. क्योंकि इन द केमिस्ट्री यू नो दैट अ फिक्स्ड अमाउंट ऑफ केमिकल इज टू बी मिक्सड विद ईच अदर फॉर द सक्सेसफुल एक्सपेरिमेंट. सो वी कैन मेजर द अमाउंट ऑफ केमिकल और सॉलिड दैट वी आर टेकिंग. दिस इज द मेजरिंग स्केल ओवर इट. ओके. So next we have is titration flask. ठीक है, it is also known as conical flask. It is in a form of cone, so it is also known as conical flask, titration flask. This allow easy mixing of the flask without too much possibility of spilling. The narrow opening also allows the user of a glass or rubber stopper. देखिए क्या है, mixing we can do in the beaker also. So what is the special feature of a conical flask? So titration flask का special feature ये है कि ये क्योंकि कोन के शेप में है, इसे कोनिकल फ्लास्क बोलते हैं, इसका एक एंड नैरो है, तो जब हमें स्पीड में मिक्सिंग करनी होती है, फिर ट्राई टू मिक्स द केमिकल इन अ beaker, so what will happen, it's had a broad end, इसका broad end है, so the chemical may split out, ठीक है, बाहर निकल सकता है. So and it is very dangerous because acids also we can mix, so it may be dangerous for us. तो इसका narrow end है, तो अगर हम mixing करेंगे तो it will not easily come out of the beaker. Or next thing is that because it has a narrow end, so sometime we can keep a rubber cork over it. इसके ऊपर हम rubber cork से बंद करके इसको air tight भी कर सकते हैं. So that is the difference between two. Okay, so that is that 4 figure are okay for today. So we'll continue the next part of the chapter in the next video. So I am sending you some pictures, you have to draw them in your classwork notebook. I think the last in the last video, whatever the homework I have given you, you are doing date wise. Okay, thank you.